Hello everybody, Zeff here with ZeffsTrading. Hope you guys are doing well today, June 10th, 2024. This will be our chart lesson for today of the ES Futures 2000 Tick Chart. So let's jump right into it. Pre-market session here. Market opens 9:30 my time. We have a nice move up in the pre-market with a break and new high. Don't see anything in the pre-market session. As market opens at 9:30 here, we have a move down, break, and we chug along slowly with a very tight bear channel. Then we get this nice double bottom here. Our first real trade comes in at 9:57. With a first entry, second entry short failure and a first entry, second entry long, double high probability setup here. Right off the key entry points, that's what we want to see. Looking for the break and new high. Great double bottom reversal here as well, as we can see. A lot of good things going for that one. Then we start this very tight bullish channel on our way up, and I just don't see anything along the way here, but it's interesting to note that since from this very tight bear channel, we switched to a very tight bull channel. As you can see, it just chugs along nicely here. The next real trade comes in at this first entry, second entry short failure. Now, great signal bar, takes a second. You get a nice runner on this one, but double bar matching low here, good indication for context with the first entry, second entry short, trapping the short traders and reversing higher. As we make our way up here, there is also another first entry, second entry short failure again. Maybe you take this trade. You have a double top here, which I just don't like. Maybe get a scalper's profit at 4 ticks there. You might take that trade. But, we want to take sure things here. So as we're going along here, you get a nice little wedge formation forming here, but you do get a nice first entry, second entry long. Definitely drop a limit order in here, but you do have your break and new low. A lot of good things going for this. Good signal bar closing on this 1/3 all the way on this high. And you can see you get your 2 points. Then we get a lower high. Market comes down here, and I saw this first entry, second entry, long failure, but I didn't like it real time. Very bullish bar in my opinion, and I wanted to see something more bearish, but never got it. You also get this break, a new high of this bullish tight channel that we were talking about, but I also saw this correction phase here, which a 1, 2, 3 triple test. And then this is where I take my trade for a first entry, second entry long, 1, 2, 3 triple test, marked it here. Scalp for 2 points. 2 contracts. Feel kind of dumb because you got over 13 points with this, but I'm kind of experimenting with not runners. Don't really like them all that much. I feel like it's just better to scalp out, but that's my opinion. Trying to get more data on it before I make just some feeling based opinion. So nice trade there, and we get our break and new high. Then we get a nice move down with another first entry, second entry long, and this one's tempting. You have a little stem on this one, so it's not the best signal bar, but overall it's quite good. This does work out. You get even 10 ticks on this for sure. But I also saw it as a first entry, second entry long failure with a huge reversal bar trapping all the bulls who think it's going to go higher. And depending on how you drew this trend channel right here, you are looking for the break and new high, and it failed. So both trades work here. I think both are valid, and just how it is sometimes. Then we get a move down here, and we get a first entry, second entry short. I just marked this as aggressive because I don't have a good signal bar with my particular data, how it loaded. Maybe you have a better one. Get a nice double bottom, bounce off this trend channel here, as you can see, as this is establishing. Also kind of a sideways move. Get a nice measured move to the high here. It does chop around sideways, but holding above the 21 EMA, which is good to see. And then we get a first entry, second entry short. This is so tempting to take. It's just calling tops, and I don't like calling tops. I just don't like doing that. Been burned too many times, learned my lesson, rather just skip and look for something else, which you get just a few moments later, which is a nice first entry, second entry long failure. And it's a first entry, second entry short. So you have a double high probability setup here. Love this trade. Take this one all the time. Great signal bar, low risk, right within our parameters. Take that trade. Okay, and then I do see this little bit of a trend channel here. I think this is overshoot. comes up, tests the highs again, comes down. Again, I think this is mostly sideways here, depending on how you look at these things. And it's getting into the end of the day, so it just gets more choppy. I just don't see anything else that I really would want to get into. There's a first entry, second entry short here, and it fails, but huge risk and very little reward because you're going right into the highs there. But that's how I pretty much saw it for today. It's going to be basically a spike in channel ending green. I think we're still going to push higher on the daily chart, but overall not too bad of trades for today. Hope you guys had a great Monday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.